2022 Buick Envision specs, changes, colors. The 2022 Buick Envision comes as a midsize crossover SUV. The automaker offers 4 trim levels for this series. Available with 2 engine options, this SUV is expected to be a fierce rival for its competitors in its class. Further, there are also optional features offered to choose from. 2022 Buick Envision exterior and interior. As has been mentioned above, the 2022 Buick Envision is offered in 4 trim levels. Those are the base convenience, leather, the premium, and premium 2. The base convenience model rides on 18-inch wheels. Coming as standard features on the base Buick Envision are automatic headlights, fog lights, roof rails, LED running lights, keyless entry/ignition, rear parking sensors and cruise control. As for the interior, the base trim comes standard with a number of features. Those include active noise cancellation and an auto-dimming rear-view mirror. Besides those two, the base model also gets dual-zone automatic climate control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shifter, and so forth. The infotainment features included are Bluetooth phone and streaming audio, an 8-inch touchscreen with Buick's IntelliLink infotainment system, and a 6-speaker stereo with 2 USB ports and satellite radio. Then, there is the leather trim level which adds a blind zone monitor, heated rear outboard seats, leather upholstery, and a heated steering wheel. The premium models ride on 19-inch wheels. The premium comes standard with automatic wipers, lane keeping assist, forward collision alerts, front parking sensors, an 8-inch virtual center gauge cluster, and a Bose Premium 7-speaker audio system. Above all, there is Premium 2 trim which adds some excellent features. Those are automatic high beams, a navigation system, an automated parallel and perpendicular parking system, ventilated front seats, a head-up display, and a thigh extender cushion for the driver's seat. In addition to it, the Premium 2 is eligible for the Driver Confidence Package. The package adds a surround view camera system and frontal collision mitigation. For lower trim, a number of high-end features are also accessible as options. Under the hood. For 2022, the new Buick Envision is available with 2 engine options. The convenience and leather trims will be powered by a 2.5L 4-cylinder engine. The engine is capable of making 197 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque. The second engine is powering the higher trims of 2022 Buick Envision. It is a turbocharged 2.0L engine which is able to make 252 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. This comes standard with advanced all-wheel drive system. The system distributes the power both fore/aft and left/right. The engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic as the only transmission available.
One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two.